Want to make better videos? All we gotta do is increase our energy. So how can we go about making better videos by increasing our energy? Well, the first thing is that you may be noticing I am standing. That is a great way to increase your energy in your videos. Number one, standing. Number two, you can pump yourself up. All right, this was something that one of my students shared on our group call last week, where he actually plays pump up music to get excited about the filming. And so he uses that to motivate himself and get really psyched and get pumped up. All right, so you can play some motivational music to get yourself going. The other thing that you need to understand when it comes to video and making better videos is that video has a tendency to bring your energy down. All right, so we want to be over dramatic, over energized. I know it feels weird. I feel weird right now because I'm really doing it for this video. But if you want to make better videos, all right, we want to be over the top. It feels over the top when we're doing it. You know, it feels like, oh my gosh, this seems fake. But when the finished product comes out, it's going to be so much better. People are going to feel that energy. And when they feel your energy, they're going to connect with you more. Do you feel it? Do you feel the energy coming? All right. It's coming. All right. So the more that we can bring this energy in our videos, the better that they are going to perform. The more people are going to connect with us. All right. And the better videos they are going to be. So number one, stand. It's a really great strategy. Standing in your videos is gonna give you that energy, all right, to really get that movement going. Play some motivational music. Number two, all right, dance around, feel good, get hyped, get motivated. And then three, just be over the top, all right? It sounds weird, I know, but it's gonna dramatically increase your videos. It's gonna increase how you show up so that you can make better videos. Want to generate more leads online? Check out my brand new free ebook, Home Care Leads, so you can get started today.